So, a couple months back, I promised to upload a CTO interview for my paid community, right? But instead, I posted an update saying I turned down the role because I accepted something better, right? A higher paying AI engineering role. And my DMs was buzzing, right? A lot of people wanted to know what's up. If you're a developer and you've been watching the job market shift, you already know that AI isn't optional anymore. If you want to stay employable, relevant, and even well paid, this is where the industry is heading. And today, I really want to share with you guys how I made the switch from being a full stack developer to an AI engineer. My name is Abigail, and some of you know me from LinkedIn. Long before I even started this YouTube channel, I've been in tech for almost 10 years now, and I've mostly been doing back-end heavy full stack development, right? You know, the normal classical stack, right? But over the past 4 years, I've been slowly shifting, right? I didn't just wake up one day and change my LinkedIn headline and say, oh, I am an AI engineer, right? It was a very intentional process that took a while. At work, there was a new AI project that came up. We were planning to bring in outside talent, right? But I volunteered to work on it, right? I even had to spend a lot, like a lot of personal time to level up my skills, right? So I could actually deliver, right? And that decision changed my life. I'm this kind of developer who builds a lot of corporate SaaS, right? And adding RAG pipelines, LLMs, and even connecting AI models to existing web applications, right? Shipping like real life product that's actually out there in production, right? Not just theory, actual world use of AI, right? And when I first started leaning into AI, I wasn't trying to become a data scientist. No, I tried that way earlier. I did not like it. I just wanted to build smarter apps, right? Tools that could reason, summarize, interact, solve problems for lazy people like me. So I started like learning things that mattered for that, right? I did not just, I took this track courses and I had to learn Python, prompt engineering, LangChain, vector database, and a whole lot more like that, right? And how to use these APIs to connect to existing AI models and the rest. I didn't really try to learn everything at once. I picked practical courses that helped me apply what I learned, right? And I could learn those courses and apply them at work, in real time. And one of those platforms that actually helped me the most among all the platforms I tried was DataCamp. It actually guided me through the key concepts, right? Without wasting much time because I did not have much time, right? If you want to see the exact courses I took, okay, you know what? Let me just show you. If you navigate, I'll put a link in the description, right? You could navigate and you could see the exact courses I took. I took this one, or and the second other one is also very similar, right? If I'll be dropping my affiliate links in the I'll be dropping affiliate links in the description. If you do use them, I'm actually going to get some benefits. So to support this channel, please use them, right? Don't just go to DataCamp and search for the courses directly. Yeah. So how do I get jobs, right? How can you get AI jobs? From internet transfer, from referrals, from people you're working with, or even applying on job boards. But I would recommend referral, right? You're already working somewhere and you could, talk to your department head that, okay, you want to change, you want to switch your career. It's actually something you'll be surprised actually how effective that would be actually, right? And you can also apply on job boards too, but it's not as effective as referral, right? So also one other thing is if you're just starting out, you would actually need example projects on your CV. Especially when you're applying on job boards, right? You will need projects that you can show. You have multiple options. You can either build your personal project, you can contribute to open source, or you can even ask your friends, right? You know that developers in the field. Hey, can I help you with the project you're working on? Hey, you're working on this AI project. Can I help you? And you'll be surprised at how receptive, like how welcoming a lot of people would be. I also want you to know that becoming an AI engineer, right, is not about throwing away everything you already know. It's about building on top of that development skills, right, and making sure you don't get left behind. Right, you don't have to start again. You don't have to start applying for entry level jobs. Right, it's something. It's a skill you can actually build on top of the one you already know. Right, I'll be making more videos on tools, job search tips, and even project ideas, right? If this video has helped you, if you have questions, let's talk to me. I want this comment section to be actually active. Let me see, like reach out to me and I'll be in the comments answering you guys. if you've made a switch before, right? How did it go? Um if you're just thinking about doing, if you're having cold feet, what's stopping you? Let me know. I actually would like to see your opinions. And if you want more videos like this on this type of topics, what I'm doing my career, or even career advice, or you're looking for employment or open source projects to contribute to, I can actually do a video on that. Do let me know. I would really like your opinion in the comment section. And if you've been seeing my video, like let's say the YouTube algorithm has been recommending my videos to you, but you're yet to subscribe, this is a reminder. What are you waiting for? Right? It's a channel for developers by developers, we are one. Support me. Okay. See you guys next time. Thank you.